Educators today spend nearly 40% of their week on administrative bottlenecks rather than teaching. Introducing Acadex AI, an intelligent co-pilot designed to reclaim that time through automation and personalization. We have a dashboard view, which has all necessary scorecards, and a graphical view. Let's look at our first module, Plan X. Standard AI lesson plans are often generic and disconnected from the student's reality. We solve this by building our RAG or Retrieval-Augmented Generation system. Notice how I input specific context, like urban school. This ensures the LLM doesn't just hallucinate, it grounds the lesson in local, culturally relevant examples. In seconds, it generates a structured, curriculum-aligned lesson plan. It creates learning objectives and activities that actually resonate with the student's environment, saving the teacher hours of prep work. The teacher can also export this as a PDF. Next, we tackle the most time-consuming task, grading. Specifically, the challenge of grading unstructured handwritten assessments. Here, we leverage advanced OCR capabilities integrated with the Gemini 3 model. The teacher simply uploads the raw handwritten answer scripts and provides a standard rubric. The system transcribes the handwriting, even with poor legibility, and evaluates it against the rubric with high accuracy. It doesn't just score, it provides detailed, actionable feedback. Look here, it even catches specific conceptual errors and spelling mistakes, providing the student with immediate, constructive critique. For ad hoc classroom needs, we built ChatX. This is a curriculum-aware chatbot teachers can use to instantly generate engagement activities or explanations on the fly. Finally, we close the feedback loop with PulseX. This is our adaptive practice engine. Manually creating remedial work for 40 students is impossible. But here, the system utilizes the grading data, and it instantly generates a personalized worksheet to target that specific gap. It even generates the answer key for the teacher automatically. From planning to assessment to remediation, Acadex AI creates a scalable ecosystem that saves educators 8 to 10 hours a week. This is Acadex AI, empowering educators to focus on what truly matters.